Hi, this is Jeff Tate with TableCraft Products here today to spatchcock a chicken here in my backyard in Chicago. Excited about doing this one. It's a recipe I use all the time. Only takes a couple of hours, and I end up doing pulled chicken with it primarily. Use it for tacos, use it for nachos, enchiladas, or just on its own or on top of a salad. So it's a great little recipe. Excited to make it here today. First thing I'm going to do to spatchcock the chicken is take my poultry shears and just remove the backbone. Very simple to do. It does get a little tough sometimes with certain bones, but you just kind of keep working your way down the line. And see that backbone here, and get the other side. Once the backbone's removed, you're going to fold it over, give it a nice hard press right around the breastbone, and make sure you lay it flat. First step's going to be after the chicken has had the backbone removed and the breast has been pressed down, just going to spray all sides with some duck fat spray. What that's going to do is help the binder adhere, act as a binder, but it's also going to crisp up the skin on the other side. So, going to spray that along all sides, get under the wings. And after that, you're going to go ahead and apply your rub using the barbecue rub from Killer Hogs. It's a great all-purpose rub. Works on a lot of different things, but I really like it on chicken, so using that today on the chicken. And flip her over and get the inside meat as well. For spatchcock chicken, I like to use pecan wood. Pecan goes really great with chicken. Do this about 375 to 400 degrees, and it's going to take about an hour and a half. I'm going to go ahead and spray the chicken with some duck fat. What that's going to allow to do is the skin to really crisp up a little bit more. So just make sure you hit all sides of the skin with some duck fat. About 45 minutes in, close the lid, and it should be ready in another 45 minutes. The spatchcock chicken is done. The breast and wings are above 165, thighs and legs are above 175. Now let it rest for 10 minutes, then you can either pull it or shred it. I just wish I had a really great tool to shred the chicken.